Tell me, looking at this video, would you ever argue that this is not my natural hair? No, look at that. Can you ever argue that? Look at the blend. What? This is it. This is what people meant when they say, oh, black girls, embrace your natural hair. I get it now, because this really looks very good, like absolutely beautiful. I feel more beautiful in this than the straight hairs and all of that. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because I've always been this girl who loves an updo. Updo looks amazing on me. I love updo a lot, maybe because of my face structure and all of that, but I'm sold. I'll buy this over and over and over again. Like, this is value for money completely. A big shout out to HOTBRAIDS for sponsoring today's video. The fact that it came with all these goodies, everything I need to do this crochet, amazing. So it is the 4A4B Exotic Afro Kinky Coily upgraded crochet human hair in 18 inches, 220 gram. One bundle is enough for full hair. That's what they say. Let's see how it goes. This is how it looks. It's like a thread connecting two hairs at both ends. Wait, promise me you're not gonna laugh at my natural hair. You laughed, right? So what's on your mind? I just weaved this hair. But the point is, this is how you weave your hair. I just brought out some in front, you know, that we used to like cover up. These gray hairs are after my life. I mean, I'm just 30. Someone send solution, please. This has been like this from finishing high school to early uni days. Like, it's crazy. It gets worse and to be frank, I don't even mind. If only it will gray all over, then I will know I have white hair. I will love it. This is my first time crocheting on myself, so let me show you how I did it. It was actually easier than I thought. So you get the put your crochet pin, you know, hook the hair. This is what happens when you don't close that hook. You see how we just almost tore my hair apart. So the next one, we're gonna get it right. So you just hook it, then close the hook, and then bring it out. It's actually more seamless than I thought. I was really thinking about doing this hair. I was like, oh, is this going to take all my time? I didn't even think it took up to 1 hour. It was that fast, because you don't really need to see what you are doing. At some point, it started, you know, moving seamlessly for me, because all I had to do was just feel my hair, ticket, and then I put the crochet pin, and then hook it, bring it out, and then just bring out everything out from it, because I want it to be easy to take down. So I don't want to be doing any kind of technical work on it. I'm still wearing this hair up to now, up to the point of posting this video. I think like 5 days ago, that's when I shot this video, and I'm still wearing it, and one has not fallen down, and it's easy for me to like take down. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, that's the reason. It's very easy to pull in, and it's very easy to take down by yourself as well. Believe me when I tell you, you can space this as much as you want, because when you crochet one, it covers a large number of space. Like, your hair won't lose scanty. This is my first time doing it. The next time I'm gonna install this, I will make sure I space it out so you can see how I'm doing the back. Like I said, you don't need to see what you're doing. All you just have to do is feel the next place you need to crochet. Like, you've crocheted this part, you just feel the next spot, you just crochet it. I didn't know crochet was this easy to do. Tell me in the comments, have you ever crocheted on yourself before? How did you see it? Was it easy for you? Because for a first timer, this was seamless. Just finished with one side of it. Look at what it looks like, and this is what we have left. So let's get this side done. I'll be back. Didn't you scream? No, didn't you scream? Look at how lovely. See, I'm a big hair girl, and I honestly felt like wearing it like this, you know. So I loosened up the hair I brought out in front. I'm gonna use to cover it up. And what? I kept screaming. I was so happy. The joy this hair gave me, the joy, you guys have no idea. And even as I didn't space it that much, we still have a little left. So they are right. One bundle is actually enough. Look at the match with my natural hair. Tea, baby. Clock that, baby. So yeah, it's time to define the curls. With this spray bottle, I put in water, just water, and then this curl cream. So I sprinkle water. Try to like make sure the water is all over it, saturate it with water. It helps the curl you know, define. And then I go in with this quantity of the curl cream. Meanwhile, I'll be linking them in the description box. Yeah, so I just run through it and then brush it. And the way the curls were just popping. Coily hair, I expected more shading, but look at that. Using the clip they put in the part, I took the defined curls out of the way to work on the rest. After defining the curls, this is what we have. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now we need to do something to my very short front hair. Yeah, so let's work on this one. I'll start by sprinkling water. And then I'll be using the red one, edge control. Rub it all on my hair. And then use it as an edge control too. Look at that blend. I'll do the rest. I'll come back. Don't worry about this shine you're seeing. It's going to disappear immediately the hair dries out. Yeah, like I said, look at that. Look at the blend. If you weren't watching till this point, would you have ever guessed that this wasn't my hair? No, for real. Do you get, like, this is so good. No, look at the match with my natural hair. Like, it's completely mind-blowing. Like, oh my goodness. You all. You don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know each time I post. I'll be dropping all the details on the description box. The good thing is you don't need to get anything, because all you would need to do this crochet comes with a package. I've been carrying this bag around. I'm using it to put all my hair stuff, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all your love and all your engagement in my posts. Yes, thank you guys. You guys are making me feel at home here on YouTube, and I'm loving every bit of it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did this hairstyle eat down for you, or would you pass? Let me know ASAP. See you guys in the next one. Mwah.